Oh, it's fantastic. Like, it's the most amazing feeling to be back at Cardiff Uni and getting an award from my alma mater and being part of Under 30ish award. Yeah, it's amazing. It's an amazing feeling. Before coming to Cardiff, I had not lived elsewhere outside India. So when I came to Cardiff and I did my MBA, I met people from more than, like in just my batch, there were students from more than 20 countries. So I could learn more about their cultures, how common we are. Even though we come from different parts of the world, our aspirations, our dreams, our values are very similar. So it helped me in expanding my business overseas. So my company exports to more than 40 countries today. When I came to Cardiff, we were not exporting at all. So MBA helped me open up my horizon in understanding international market, how to deal with people from different nationalities. And here I am, exporting to 40 countries now.
It feels amazing to win an award, and it's a pleasure to come back to Cardiff Uni after so many years and seeing like all the new buildings and seeing old faces, so really honoured. So I live in London and I'm a wheelchair user, so I developed a Python library which other developers can use, and basically it helps me navigate the London Underground and tells me information that is consumable in the format that helps me just plan my journeys a bit better, as the current software doesn't give me all the features I need to basically go from A to B across London. So yeah, I just posted it on LinkedIn. One of my old lecturers saw it, and yeah, one thing led to another, and I managed to end up winning an award. So yeah, just really happy, really. Just a little hobby project I'm working on myself has managed to get recognised by the uni and can celebrate with other winners. So it's great.
Nice to be 30ish winners. It's really nice to meet everyone who's come along and just to see what everyone else has achieved and the breadth of things that people have achieved over their time since Cardiff. It's been really, really nice.
Yeah, more than anything, it's really impressive just seeing what everyone else has done. Like, that's the really fun bit, is to be here and like find out what people have done.
We are conservators and we do a podcast about heritage conservation, and it was one of the first, really.
It was the first.
Yeah.
It was the first.
Yeah, and we've got tons of listeners in loads of different countries, and we're just sort of flabbergasted, really, that we've had such an impact, and we've kept people company in the pandemic, and you know, we've been voices for loads of really important issues in our sector, and actually that's really cool.
It's really nice to see what our nominators have said about us as well, and all the recognition that we've had from the work that we've done, and just seeing it summarised after everything we've done has been really, really nice.
Rwy'n teimlo yn arbennig o balch. Rwy'n teimlo'n... Mae gen I bach o sioc hefyd bod nes I ennill. Ac enwedig gan gweld y kind of pobl eraill sydd wedi ennill hefyd, mae jyst yn teimlo mor amazing I wedi ennill gyda nhw hefyd. Wel, mae'n teimlo'n really special. Mae'n bach di newid ers fi gadael blwyddyn yn ôl. Felly mae'n adeiladau newydd, mae'r SU newid sydd yn arbennig. So mae lot I newid a mae popeth I bod yn positif. Mae'n neis gweld yr ysgol yn parhau I gwella.
Absolutely amazing. I think the 30-ish is doing quite a lot of heavy lifting now. I graduated in 2012, but no, it feels absolutely incredible. You know, I lived in Cardiff for so long, and it's amazing to be back. Very interesting. I think it's probably given me the most incredible imposter syndrome of my life. You're sitting there thinking, yeah, I know that I've achieved stuff and I'm happy with the stuff, and then you hear scientists come out, people have created cures for things, but yes, it's felt amazing, and the event itself has been great. A lot of fond memories. I think I'm different to most people though, in that I stayed for 13 years after graduation, and I spent a lot of time working up and around here, so I've only been away for a couple of months, but it's been lovely, and the memories are coming back are so nice. I went past the house I lived in my uni days, and yeah, that made me a bit more emotional than I expected. So my BA was in English literature. I now work in tech. But the transferable skills it gave me of being able to talk to people, being able to communicate effectively, being able to take very complex ideas and talk about them in a coherent way, has been incredibly helpful for me. And I made friends for life.
Thank you very much. I'm so happy to be back to school. I feel very elated and humbled that I was considered for this specific award. I am very happy and honored to be part of the winners today. So my name is Nyange. I currently work as the Executive Director, Association of Media Women in Kenya. I am a gender activist and advocate based in Kenya, and I love everything to do with women, media, and young women. So I enjoy trying to champion for gender responsive society in Kenya and in Africa as well. Well, it feels very nostalgic. I had a lunch with journalism students today at Jomek. I really enjoy that. And then now meeting former students and new people that we have been networking on LinkedIn. I'm very happy to be here and to see the rest of the other winners who, for me, they are fantastic people doing fantastic work or amazing work in this world. So they're all change makers, innovators, and I'm happy to be part of this group.
Incredible to come back and to be recognised for the stuff that you've done since leaving university, but also to see the new stuff that's here. This wasn't here the last time I left. It started in COVID-19. It started on one of the government sanctioned walks. I had a kind of brain fart, if you will, to start an LGBTQ plus news forum within Wales. We've never had one before. That went on to put forward Wales' first ever Wales-wide virtual Pride. Over 30,000 viewers, over 24 hours worth of content. And we've gone on to create Wales' first ever LGBTQ plus magazine and news forum. But in addition to that, which was part of the nomination, working with the UK, working as part of the Alumni for the Future Generations Leadership Academy in promoting decisions that address today's problems without compromising the needs of generations yet to come.
I'm very humbled to be nominated for this among many other students, and the work that I do, I think it's a recognition of the work that we do in journalism. We're just going through immense pressure, immense changes, and I'm very, very happy and pleased to be here. I feel at home. I feel at home. I was today earlier on talking to Jomek students, the newer students, and we had like 100 people full in that room, students. It felt like being home, like it's the places the seats I was sitting in, the lectures. I mean, it's more beautiful, it's more fulfilling. And I think one of the things that we emphasized and told them was that the rest of their lives begins here. It's the best place to be in. Cardiff is the right choice that they made, and everything from it is just going to be great. And it was just, I think I just sort of this a very warm feeling of seeing what's going to happen to them. It's such a beautiful thing.
So I'm Wendy Larner, I'm the brand new Vice-Chancellor. I'm just absolutely blown away. What an amazing group of people changing the world, doing amazing things right across the spectrum. Economy, society, culture, environment. I'm so proud to be part of a university that has nurtured people like this, given them the confidence to go out into the world and to change the world. What an amazing thing.